Om Namah Shivaya. Here was a world most miracle conch ever produced. Shivalingam conch, a conch in the shape of Shivalingam. It is a normal conch. See, you can see the difference. It is a normal conch. It's a conch in the shape of Shivalingam. It is natural, unbelievable. See, you can see the difference. See, conch is in the shape of Shivalingam. Extremely unbelievable formation in the conch history. See, extremely unbelievable. When you keep it, look like a mushroom conch. You can see perfectly conch in the shape of Shivalingam. Extremely unbelievable formation. See, this is a normal conch. No, it's a normal conch. See, conch is in the shape of Shivalingam. See, what a miracle formation. Extremely a miracle formation. See, comparison, extremely miracle formation. Totally unbelievable. Conch in the shape of Shivalingam. By having this conch with you, you can feel extreme energy and vibration of Lord Shiva, Lord Shiva, Lord Shiva, Lord Shiva, Lord Shiva, Lord Shiva. Conch itself produced in the nature of Shivalingam, naturally in the shape of Shivalingam. Totally unbelievable. Extremely unbelievable. What a miracle formation. Om Namah Shivaya, Om Namah Shivaya, Om Namah Shivaya.